Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to remove face lock in our Samsung phone device. Guys, you want to remove your face lock so you can remove it. And guys, now let's see how to remove face lock in our Samsung phone device. In this video guys, I am going to show you once. So now let's see how to remove face lock in Samsung phone. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to remove your face lock. Means guys, you want to delete your face lock so you can delete. Then guys, scroll it, and guys you can see your biometrics and security setting. So guys, type here, guys click on face setting, and guys draw your pattern, and guys you can see remove face data. So guys tap here, and guys you can see this future that use face recognition will be turned off. So I will yes. So guys, face lock will remove in your Samsung phone. Then guys, you cannot use your face lock in your Samsung phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove face lock in our Samsung phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like